Tangem wallet versus Trezor Safe 5 is the topic of today's video, and we're going to start it off with Tangem wallet. Tangem offers a unique approach to cryptocurrency storage with its card-based hardware wallet resembling a standard credit card. It's designed for ease of use and portability. In terms of key features then, that simplicity and portability, as I mentioned earlier, plays a big factor. The card-like design allows users to manage their crypto assets by simply tapping the card on the back of their smartphones, making transactions quick and straightforward, as well as now offering the option to get a ring that has the exact same feature. Tangem's minimalistic design reduces potential attack vectors, enhancing security. The wallet operates without batteries or cables, relying on NFC technology. When it comes to supported assets, users can manage Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 6,000 other cryptocurrencies, providing extensive flexibility. Tangem offers a 2-card set for $54.90 and a 3-card set for $69.90. as well as a ring and 2-card set for $160. When we move over to Trezor Safe 5, it is designed to provide a comfortable and secure user experience, featuring a vibrant color touchscreen with haptic feedback. The 1.54-inch color touchscreen enhances usability, allowing for intuitive navigation and transaction verification. In terms of security, it incorporates an EAL6+ certified secure element chip, offering robust protection for your private keys. When it comes to supported assets, the Trezor Safe 5 supports thousands of coins and tokens, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of cryptocurrencies. When it comes to pricing, the Trezor Safe 5 is priced at $169. So to wrap it all up, the Tangem wallet stands out for its portability and simplicity, making it ideal for users seeking a straightforward, on-the-go solution. Its competitive pricing further enhances its appeal. On the other hand, the Trezor Safe 5 offers a more traditional hardware wallet experience with advanced security features and a user-friendly touchscreen interface, catering to those who prioritize a more robust and interactive device. Your choice will depend on your needs. Thanks for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.